All right, here we are in a 2014 Fiat 500L. All keys lost. Should be no active alarm. Not that it matters. This is going to be like the Jeep Renegade bladed. We got a SIP 22 with a blank 7936 chip in it, which is going to be a 46 uncoated. FYI, I went through this, had the wrong chip, and when you go to pre-code, it will just go through and through and through, and it'll just wait, and it will not proceed unless you have the right chip. So you'll know right away. All right, there's our pre-coding and pin code. We're gonna hit OK. Perform pre-coding. Yes, we do. Yes. So it's in there right now. As you can see, it's real quick. So as long as it detects that 46 chip, it's gonna go through really quick. If you have the wrong chip, that it'll just circle around like you're getting nowhere. Okay, not a big deal. Just do it again. See if we can get that in there correct. Okay. It hasn't been used. It's probably because we went through the pre-coding to begin with and it failed, but it actually went through. No big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna use this key. We're gonna go through just in case you get a failure. No big deal. We know it's been pre-coded, so we're gonna go through, do a reset, and then we'll program this back in. So we'll be right back. All right, we got our key in the ignition. We're gonna go through programming right now. Switch ignition on, ignition's on. We're just gonna continue. Yes, security code is gonna be 57695. One key, no remote. Do you want to program more keys? No. There you are. We're going to go ahead and disconnect. Go ahead and shut this off. Well, it's kind of dead. But you get the point. There we are, 2014 Fiat 500L.